at Looking Glass Rock. It's one of the most popular hikes in the Asheville area. I've never done it before. I'm pretty excited. And it is a beautiful, like 70-something degree day. So everybody's out here trying to soak it in. Brought my drone, hoping I could fly my drone, but it's a no drone zone. I mean, it doesn't really matter. It's not like a make it or break it kind of thing. Dude, I'm so excited because this is like the first time in so long that I've been up here in the mountains in Pisgah and I have shorts on and it's warm. Like every time I've came up here, I mean, I've been hiking all winter. It's been so cold and snow and ice and everything. Today is amazing. It's March 2nd, so we're getting close to spring. But dude, it feels like spring. It's so good. Shoes, dude. I'm telling you what, guys. I don't know, but like, my hair is kind of getting out of control, huh? I mean, like, I don't want to cut it, but like, I don't know, man. It's like at that awkward spot where it's like too short to wear hairbands, but it's too long to like just let dangle. It gets in my face and in my eyes. I don't know what to do.
Yeah, I've been there. I know what's
that
up.
That length's irritating.
Yeah.
Where it touches your collar.
Yeah.
So dumb.
I can't put it in a ponytail. It's too short. I tried the other day. I looked so bad. All right, I've somehow stemmed the conversation to try to put my hair in a tie. Oh no. Ow! I've never had this happen to me.
Yeah, welcome to beauty, Levi.
Oh my gosh.
The man bun actually looks kind of good on him.
Ah! Oh my gosh.
He looks like Hanzo.
See, I'm not.
Dude, I look like Hanzo from Overwatch. Okay.
I'm gonna have to.
I don't know.
Well, no,
You guys gotta be the judge. I mean, like, I just don't know. What you think, Caden?
I think it looks good. I think it looks great.
Gosh dang it. We'll wear it up to the top, you know, and we'll see. This is a little waterfall area or something? Kinda. It's a giant cliff though. That's pretty cool. Just two dudes on a cliff with a tree. It's pretty nice. It's pretty sketch though, not gonna lie. It's a really cool tree though, not gonna lie. All the roots freaking growing out of it right on the cliff. We're almost to the top. We're kind of just taking our time getting up there. We're not like rushing or anything. So we are on a part of this mountain. So if you saw in like one of my previous videos, we were at Stone Mountain. This is kind of the same. It's like a giant dome-shaped rock. This is just a little section of it. It's pretty sweet. I'm gonna do like a full like gear list or whatever like soon, but I guess I just show you real quick when I'm rocking. So new shoes are, I don't know if you can see that. They're the La Sportiva Ultra Raptor 2s. It's a long technical name. It makes me look like I know what I'm doing, but I assure you that I am just a dude in the woods that has no idea what he's doing. I also have another piece of gear that I'm pretty stoked about. It is this John. This is the Hyperlight Mountain Gear Southwest 3400. Another super long name, and it makes me look like I know what I'm doing. I got this stuff just because I'm gonna be doing this a lot, and I wanted really good gear that's not gonna like fail on me. This highly rated gear. I'm gonna do like a full review or like look over of everything I got because I finally got everything that I need for this season. But this is my first time out with all this stuff, and these shoes feel great, and my bag feels great too. So I'm pretty excited about it.
Okay, before I turn into a crab.
From what I read, everybody said that like this trail's pretty boring until you get like to the top of the mountain or whatever. And I mean, yeah, it's starting to get pretty cool. Like we're in these like rhododendron forests or whatever on this cool like shelf hiking. That's pretty cool. But I mean, you don't really get too many views until you get to the top. We're starting to get up there now, but so far, I'm liking it, man. Weather's great, I feel great, my shoes feel great, my bag feels great.
go scrum. A lot of mud out here.
For real.
You gotta watch it because, especially when it's cold outside, because if there's a lot of water, just like you saw when Levi fell and busted his butt. That's what happens.
Oh yeah, I know.
This stuff on like rocks and crap just slips right out.
Wet rocks. I put the hat back on because my hair was like coming out of it. So we're hiking on this nice ridgeline. Super, super cool. You got views off to your left and your right. See a little bit, and then off that way. You get some views. It's really nice here. What do you think?
What do I think about what?
What do you think about the hike?
Oh, gorgeous hike. Gorgeous.
Shines out of breath.
I'm dying a little bit.
She'll make it.
I think our printer is starting to edge like a change. I don't know how it's gonna happen.
One day, I don't know when, but one day, I'm gonna make a dang compilation of like all the times I run back to the camera after doing a walking shot. Because I have so many shots of me running back and grabbing the camera. Gosh, it's ridiculous.
Oh, wow, look at the mountain. Be real fucking careful, girl.
Jumping required ahead.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. It's a nice little section.
Might be
Yeah, there's part of it.
somewhere back.
I got it.
Well,
This is absolutely awesome, dude. This looks sick. Look at this, guys. Dang. There's another cool looking mountain over there. Kind of give you guys like an idea of like what we're standing on. It's like that like rock dome looking thing.
Levi, do not fall. Levi, your film roll.
I didn't fall. It was
You almost did.
I was just chilling. I am pasty. I'm sorry.
My, if you're watching this, I ain't on the cliff.
We're not on a cliff. I mean, well, I guess that's a lie. We're on a cliff. But we're not like, if we were to fall, we have a good distance, like rolling distance. Oh gosh, I don't know if I can fit through here. Oh, there's a bench. What the hell? Just a bench on a cliff. A literal cliff. I don't know if you guys can tell how steep that is. Guess it's a
Memorial bench.
Huh.
I'm gonna sit on you,
I guess that's what it's
Matthew.
for, right?
My
Yeah, so somebody's gonna carry him. This is way too steep for him.
Oh, so we're doing this little rock scramble here. We're heading back to the trail and we're gonna get out of here because the sun's gonna go down over that ridge line, and then once that happens it's gonna get cold really fast. Got my headlamp on, get pretty dark pretty fast. It's not completely dark yet, but under these trees it's actually kind of hard to see some roots and stuff sometimes. Might as well just throw it on. It's probably gonna be dark by the time we get back to the car. Still sick, still worth it. Got a cool sunset up at the top. My big camera's dead, that's why I'm filming on my GoPro right now. And I don't feel like digging through my bag to get another camera battery right now. So. Alright, so I accidentally forgot to film an actual outro to the video, so I'm just gonna say my outro right here. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you want to, do all that jazz, and I'll see you guys in the next adventure. Peace out and live cosmic.